Hello friends, welcome. You are watching SQL and PLSQL interview question answer video series. I would like to say thank you all of my viewers and subscriber for support me and like my videos. Today we are going to discuss about what are constraints available in Oracle.
This is very burning question which is asked by interviewer in almost all SQL and PLSQL interview. So let's see what is integrity constraint. Integrity constraint are used to apply business rule for the database table. We can say a integrity constraint is a declarative way to define a business rule for a column of database table. Now question is, what is business rule? Business rules like employee salary cannot be less than 10,000 or employee ID should not be null. This kind of business rules we can define using help of integrity constraints.
We have 6 constraints in Oracle: not null, unique, primary key, foreign key, check and default. You have to remember all these 6 constraint names because it is a key answer of this question. If you are able to describe all these constraints in detail, you can cover 5 to 6 answer in this question, like what is difference between primary key and not null, what is difference between check and unique, what is difference between primary key and foreign key, what is integrity constraint. This kind of question you can cover in single answer. So let's see in detail. Using not null constraint, developer can be ensured that user cannot be able to insert null value on a particular column. Unique constraint. Using unique constraint, we can ensure that all value should be unique on column. Primary key constraint. Primary key constraint uniquely identified each record in a database table, as well as it also prevent not null and duplicate value on column. Foreign key constraint. This constraint identify any column referencing the primary key in other table. It establishes relationship between two columns in the same table or between different tables. For a column to be identified as a foreign key, it should be defined as a primary key in the table which is it referring. One or more column can be defined as a foreign key. Check constraint. The check constraint ensure that all value in column satisfy certain condition, like employee salary should be greater than 10,000. Default constraint. Default constraint provide a default value for a column when user try to enter null in particular column. Oracle also categorize this all constraint in following way: domain integrity constraint, entity integrity constraint, referential integrity constraint. Domain integrity constraint we have not null and check. Entity integrity constraint we have unique and primary key, and referential integrity constraint we have foreign key. Foreign key also known as referential integrity constraint. Constraint can be defined in 3 ways on table. There is column level constraint, table level constraint and alter level constraint. Let's see the example. Column level constraint we can define along with the column definition. You can see here column level constraint defined with marks column. Here you can define column level constraint with column name also. If you cannot provide any constraint name, Oracle take default name of respective constraint. Table level constraint. Table level constraint we can define after the table definition. Here you can see mark column we already specify, and after complete all column definition we define check constraint on table. Alter level constraint. Alter level constraint we can define using alter command as following way. Alter level constraint generally used for after creating table we need to apply certain constraints or business rule on particular table. So it's all about constraint. I hope friend, after watching this video you can get clear idea about constraint and how we can apply constraint on table, and what are categories in constraint, and what is primary key, foreign key, check unique, not null and default. If my video add any value in your knowledge, then please subscribe this channel and share this video as much as possible. Thank you for watching SQL and PLSQL interview question answer videos. If you don't want to miss any new upcoming videos, subscribe this channel now. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, colleagues and social media. Leave your comments if you like this video. Thank you so much.